Today's Monday, June 9th. And here's my combine. I didn't trade Thursday or Friday, so let's just go to my performance. Down about $100. We got Monday trade, Tuesdays. Monday, I just put my entry on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, exactly when I entered the trade. Did that again on Tuesday with the confluence as well. So in this case, I went long, and the confluences were going green as well. So that's part of my trading strategy, is that if I'm going short, at least 3 of the 4 need to be going short as well. If I'm going long, 3 of the 4 need to be going long as well. So in this case, 4 out of 4 were going long, so that was good. Hence why what's wrong. In this case, I just never got to it yet. That's just bad. Journaling, just didn't trade. Wife was working, just got lazy and just said, you know what, I'm not gonna trade the rest of the week. So here we are on Monday. So what's my plan going into this week? Well, I've decided I do not want to long highs, morning highs, or short morning lows. So in this case, since price is opening up to the morning highs, I do not want to look for longs. Even if it's a perfect break and retest of the morning highs, I do not want to long it. I've been getting screwed over trying to get that move, and it's just been stopping me out. So what I've seen that happens is that once it sweeps one area, so say for example comes to the morning high and it sweeps it, it's gonna go back down to the morning low, maybe sweep it too, and then continue higher. So that's how it happens. Or it goes to the low, then goes to the high, and then continues lower, something like that, right? So I'm gonna avoid that. So what I want to do is, if it goes high over the morning high, I'm just gonna wait. Even if it forms some type of consolidation, wait. Once it starts breaking down back below morning highs, I will enter, as well as as long as my confluences are working, and I'll put my stop above the highs of whatever it had, right? Same thing with the morning lows. Once it starts getting back into the range, then I'll put my stop right here. Now, if I'm gonna go, like for example, if it starts going short, then I'll just maybe go short, and I have enough room right here, maybe for 70, 80 points or whatever it is, to the morning lows. That's kind of gonna be my trade. Now, ideally, what would like to happen is that if I do break into the morning lows, or if I go short and from the morning highs, I don't necessarily want to right away take it off the morning lows. It would be nice for it to break through and then me cover morning lows, at least for let's just say a 70 to 80 point move minimum, right? But I would like to get 100 points, say. That would be nice, but it just depends on if the market gives that or not. So we got the 1 minute up, we got the 1 minute, we got the 5 minute. How was it?
She was so crazy last night.
Oh my god.
At 3 in the
Look
morning.
how she's done.
Crazy.
I didn't sleep good last night. The couch too, because of the dividers, right? Why does it do that? Did you see it like flashed? I don't know.
Oh, wow.
It looked like the screen flashed.
It glitched.
It glitched, right? Why is it doing that? Anyways, yeah. I guess next time I'll just lay in her bed.
I wanted to cancel so bad.
Really? Yeah, you just went for it.
Yeah, I woke up like at 3:54. And I was like, my alarm's gonna go off at 4:30. And I was just like, I don't want to get up. But I was just like, you're already up, just stay up, just stay up. I can force myself hard.
I know.
But it said that I slept like 4 hours and 50.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This time is all wrong.
Huh?
It says 6:28. On here it's 6:29 already. That's weird.
Which one's off?
This one.
The laptop?
Yeah. All right, let me scratch. Okay. Alright. Okay, market's about to open. I'm gonna get be ready for the opening print. And trade good. Alright, opening print opens right here. Opening print. There we go. Alright, so once again, don't trade the first 5 minutes of the day. We got Microsoft pumping strong. Nvidia is pumping. Amazon is down. And Apple's down. There's nothing. But like I said, I'm gonna try to not long. So I like how the opening print actually opened at this like consolidation area. Because if I'm looking for shorts, well, not looking for shorts, but if the short presents itself, then I would like it to be under the opening print, and that move would be 80 points, no 70, no 80 points, yeah, to the lows. So let's see what happens here. Some crazy movement right now. That's it's interesting. Amazon's tanking. Apple's tanking. Microsoft and Nvidia are pumping. That's why the market's just kind of doing whatever it's doing. Amazon is just tanking. And I decided just to, like, when I'm in the trade, it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. Like, just live with that and be okay with it. Just keep learning, keep showing up, keep learning. Put your stops in the correct area. And yeah, let's see what I have right here. Okay. Yeah, just. Damn, Amazon just fell off a cliff. I wonder what happened. Nvidia's pumping though, so this is. We got a bounce from Amazon now. Now, if this holds, now the longs are looking good right here. Longs are looking good with the stop below here. Stop below 80. But I don't trade the first 5 minutes. It's still below the opening print. But you got 3 green and 1 red. And that red has a wick. So, Microsoft is wicking too. Let's see. Yep, stopped out. If I would have gotten the trade. But nope. Good thing I wait for the first 5 minutes. I don't know what's going on. This price action's crazy. You got this random wick right here. Just bounce from. Okay, let's see where I can enter a trade. Opening print. So far, so good. Oh, no, video is coming down. Apple now trying to recover. Nope, 2-2. Can't get in. I was thinking about short right now, but 2 are green and 2 are red. Two are green and 2 are red. But this is a good one where it's gonna give me an opportunity to go short once it breaks this wick right here.
Order filled.
All right, I'm short. Stop below. Nvidia is tanking. We got Microsoft coming down. Let's see what the tilt looks like. I'm on the short. Okay. Let's see now. Let's go over here. Where did it bounce from? Oh, bounce from this consolidation area. Okay. And the next daily level is down here. Okay, this should. I like my stop placement actually. Let's see. I like my stop placement. Let's see if this is a trap or not. It definitely could have trapped me. There's 3 red now. Let's see what happens. 80's let's not break this wick right here. 85. We could stay below this wick. Looks strong. Yeah, just like if I move my stop, what if I move my stop up here? All right, I'm gonna move my stop right there. That's crazy. All right, I move my stop. It's gonna be all under those consolidation. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just putting a stop where potentially could be. Opening print is rejecting again. Um, Look at that candle, like. Okay, what with the trend? Like my entry was right here as soon as it broke this, so I was. Let's see how much in profit I was. Let's just do this to. I was like 18 points in profit, something like that. Let's just redo this whole thing. Let's redo this whole thing and just go down. We got, all right, shorts are looking good. The big four now all red. I think the shorts are coming in. That's a fake out. Fake out long. Shorts are coming in once it breaks this area. Like the shorts need to break. The big four need to start breaking their lows. Apple looks good. For shorts, Microsoft looks good. Nvidia needs to come down. Like, of course, getting in right here would have been better for the shorts, but I guess I'm trying to chase the move. I'm not sure. But it's kind of like, as it was going down, we had like this pullback. We had this like kind of doji, and then like this tank, and then there's no follow through. But big four are looking good. Nvidia is trying to pump a little bit, but Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon are all going down. So they're fighting right now. Let's come down and break this little. Let's see what the tilt is again. 68% long. So I'm short. I'm short so far. Even with my previous stop, I wouldn't have got stopped out. I think 69, 79, 89, 99. 99 4. I would have barely not got stopped out. All right, come on. Price is still so what's good on the 5-minute is that price is under the 9 and 20, and the 9 and 20 are both at the opening print. So if it can hold that opening print short, then I think we're good. But once it starts to gain, it's a little tough. But I want to have my stop above the morning highs because of all this junk. Let's see. See what's going on over here. This 5 minutes closing strong. Now 3 out of the 4 are yeah. Yeah, that's what I didn't want to happen, is it to close above the opening print. Alright, big 4 green now. Let's do something else. Let's before I could even do something else, it's gonna freaking pop. To this trend line. Somehow, some way. Do you hold it? Do you hold this trend line? Look at this stupid move, like, gosh. Like, we'll see. This is the last measure of defense right here. If this can hold, then it can still be okay, but we need this to hold. I need this to hold. We got that doji right here on the 1 minute. A red doji. Which broke. So let's see if I end up giving up an extra 22 pips or what on this trade. Like getting in at the opening print somehow, which would be 800. Like my 35 points covers this, so. I don't know. Like, what a fake out. Am I gonna somehow get lucky in this trade? Oh, it does not look like it. That's for sure. This is. Alright. This is. What did I say? I do not want a long. The morning highs. So are you gonna just give me a miracle sell off right now? But there's traders maybe looking for the opening print retest too. It's actually a nice rejection candle. So, oh no. Oh, there you go. Oh, short it. Break that low. Break that low. Break this low. Break it. 800. So there's buyers right here at the open of this candle, the 5-minute candle. 3 out of the big 4 are green. There we go. You got something. Something is not. And then just bounces off of the 20 EMA 800. Yeah, that actually looks good for the bounce. Yeah. Opening print bounce. If I'm getting into this trade now, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Yeah. You just got faked out. That's what it comes down to. Got faked out. And I don't know what else. Is this thing gonna just tank? Every time I think it's gonna tank, it doesn't tank. Like buyers are trying to push it through up here, but it's not happening so far. And sellers are trying to push it down, and it's not happening either. So that the 5 minutes looking extra. We got all these wicks though, all this 5-minute junk that has to push through. So there's a bunch of sellers keep coming in. This is like a whole. This area is from 435 all the way till 6. So like 2 hours worth of like selling pressure right here that it has to cleanly break. And once it does, and like, yeah, but I don't know. Oh yeah, that 5-minute is holding strong. Am I gonna get lucky? Come on, resistance traders, show up. Show up, resistance traders. You don't like to long highs. You want to short it. Short it. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Like this 20 EMA needs a breakthrough and just cleanly break through opening print and just like tank. Like the more it holds this 20 is not good. All right, there we go. We got like a spike and we had to just buy up right here. This consolidation. Now the big 4 are red. But the opening print is now right there. The opening print and the 9 EMA on the 5-minute are holding. You can't tease me like that. Like, really? We need some follow through. Okay, come on. Come on, break this candle's wick. Break 93. Big 4 red. Big 4 We're red. This 5-minute candle closes in 30 seconds. Come on, push through, push through, push through. It's like every time it tries to pump down, then like there's buyers, limit orders just like snagging it up. Okay. It closed below the opening print. And then we have continuation. Dude, what is this? Like, look at this stupid ass candle right here. Rejection candle. That was 35 points. And now we're just gonna take off. Like, that's what we're gonna do now. That's wild. Let's see, right here. What a fake out, dude. Again. Oh, that was 7 o'clock right here. 7 o'clock just. Whatever, I'm gonna step away for a minute.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. See my trade. Entry price is 769. And let's just say that morning lows with my 35-point stop if I just kept it right there. 69. Not that, I don't want that. This. Say 69. I don't know why it does that. It's 50 points. It's not even a. It's like a 1.5 hour. And it's like from here. Let's see. Breaking the morning high for 20 points. Alright, I'm gonna just let it play out, see what happens. The first time I moved my stop. So annoying. Like, I wonder how that 2-minute played out on that trade. No. Alright, let me close this one. Is this Alright, I'm gonna keep this on for another 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn myself off and yeah, just for my data.